Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I want to say welcome. And if you like all things home decor, home organization, and lifestyle, I hope that you consider hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. Now, in today's video, we'll be doing a fall haul and a little bit of a shop with me as I take you to Hobbylobby, Target, and Homegoods. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. so let's go ahead and jump straight into this video so that I can show you what I picked up at Hobby Lobby. First, I want to pull these up. These are some acorns I found at Hobby Lobby. They were $8.99. I ended up picking up 3 of these acorns. It's kind of different from your normal pumpkins, garland, and what else do we use for hay and all that stuff. So pick those up. I plan on putting these inside of a bowl like this and just displaying them on an entryway table. I also picked up a pumpkin. So this pumpkin is faux fur. I love the cream and the tan colors to it, and it has the brown stem. Now this pumpkin is I guess it's a styrofoam covered with fur, but this pumpkin was $21.99, which was a little bit expensive, but I thought it was really different and I just couldn't pass her by. So I ended up paying like $13 for it because of course Hobby Lobby had a sale going on with all of their fall decor. So that was a great little steal, as well as these acorns, which were again $8.99 on sale for 40% off. So those are the 2 fall items that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I also picked up a couple of other pieces at Hobby Lobby that was not fall related, but I have to show y'all this. It's this vessel. It's a very much dupe for a restoration hardware piece. They style these on top of books, and I paid $15.99 for this piece, and I couldn't pass it up because it was just too pretty. So yeah, just want to show y'all that. Y'all, at the end of this video, I have a little surprise for you. It's basically going to be about what my next video is going to be about, but I hope you stick around to see that. But anyways, let's go ahead to Homegoods. Actually, let's go to Target, because in the video I'm gonna try to keep it in order, keep it in sync. And so at Target, the Magnolia line was bare. They didn't have any of the Studio McGee. I can't remember seeing any of the Studio McGee. Y'all, my Target by my house is not decked out like other Targets that I've seen. I need to go and venture out and go to like other neighborhood Walmarts. I was say Walmart, neighborhood Targets. But I did pick up these Acorn Spice limited edition. These are only put out during the fall season. Mrs. Myers, and these are the Clean Day spray. I usually use what is it called? It's basil. I usually get pick up basil, the basil collection of the Mrs. Myers to clean with. But y'all, these smell so good. Like, it's like an air freshener for the room that you clean with these. These are so good, and you can still get them, I think, online at Target. I'll try to link in the description below where you can find these. I tried to pull them up on Amazon. Child, they was tripping, because they were like $40, $42 for like a set of, I think, of the hand soap, the spray, and I want to say it might have been a dishwashing liquid, but they were like a bundle, and they were charging $42 for that. A lot of people also like the apple spice in the, not the apple spice, apple cider in this Mrs. Myers. It's also a limited edition. I don't like that scent, so these were a good find. Hopefully I can go back and well, I'll probably order some online, some more online, just to have something stockpiled, because I do love the scent of it. So that was the only thing that I picked up at Target. Again, there are kind of slim pickings on the fall decor, fall anything, unless you like redone stuff, but I digress. So let's go ahead on to Target. let's go ahead to HomeGoods now. Now, these things I picked up, I guess, during the last 2-3 weeks for fall. Probably 2 weeks. But yeah, I picked up these 2 hay bundles, well, wheat bundles, right here, very fall. I also picked up 2 more pumpkins, because if you've seen my last videos, I had picked up, I think, 3 pumpkins from there a while back. But I found these really, what is this? It's like a wicker braided pumpkin. Love the color. Again, tan and brown. I also picked up another, well, this is kind of like a squash pumpkin, so a little ceramics squash pumpkin. I really like the realistic look of this one. It's painted perfectly. So I picked up those 2 pumpkins. I also picked up some skinny syrup, and this is the pumpkin caramel, and this one is the pumpkin caramel scone. Okay, scone. But I used some of these. Yeah, I really don't know how I feel about these yet. I've used quite a bit of this one, but I don't know. I'm not sold yet. I'm not sold, but well, I'll obviously sold, but I don't think I'll get it again. So I picked up those. I also picked up. Yeah, I'm not giving y'all no prices, huh? Oh, okay. Well, let me reverse. So this little wicker pumpkin, I want to say, was $7.99 at HomeGoods. This one was $12.99 again at HomeGoods. I think that was all. I didn't give you a price on. Oh, and the wheat bundles, I think they were $12.99. Y'all, I take the price tags off of things when I come home. So I've been having this for like maybe 2 weeks. So sorry. So I also grabbed these trunks. I actually purchased 2 of them. I'll insert a picture up here of how I have them styled near my fireplace. I thought they would be great with the pumpkin setup. You know, people usually decorate on the outside of their homes with like hay bundles with pumpkins around it and stuff like that. So it was like a little play on that. So that can also go into the holiday season of Christmas as well. So I thought that was cute. So I also picked up some fall candles, but this is the one that really actually I got this from Bath and Body Works, and this candle smells so good, and it's fall. It's the balsam and firewood. Oh, it smells so good. But yeah, it gives you all fall vibes. Have a couple of these burning in your home. So good, so good. I know I skipped around, but at HomeGoods, I also picked up some napkins. Again, reminiscent of fall. They're tan and off-white towels, well, napkins, and they were $6.99 a piece. Great to decorate with, great to just have around instead of using paper towels all the time to dry your hands. You have some napkins. And also I picked up a milk frother. I've been looking for these. Like, I know I had seen some at HomeGoods once before, but I couldn't find them. And so finally I walked in, and here they were, milk frother. And this one was only $5.99. Ooh, can't wait till it get cold so I can make me some lattes. So, yep, I picked that up. And then I also grabbed a blanket for my downstairs living room, well, family room. And this blanket was a DKNY, and it's made out of like crocheted almost like sweater, and on the inside it's fleece. So yeah, it's by DKNY, and I paid $29.99 for that. So yeah, that is all for the fall haul part of this video. But my next video is a DIY project that me and my husband did for like the last 2 weeks. We built a concrete coffee table, and this thing is a massive. It is huge. I'll insert a picture right here, and hopefully I have that out by next Wednesday, preferably Tuesday. So be on the lookout for that. Remember, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you will be informed when I do upload my next video. But until then, y'all be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.